It's Peter Dellane, Ability Mortgage Group here in Maryland, and today I want to talk a little bit about how all lenders are not created equal, and how I just got a veteran ratified on a contract with a non-VA loan. We submitted an offer, a VA offer, and sometimes sellers are not willing to take or entertain a VA offer because of the appraiser sometimes acts like a home inspector. They go around and turn everything on and make sure the property's functional and whatnot. And when you have competing offers, it always frustrates me because a VA loan is such an awesome loan that they won't entertain that versus the other offers on the table. So what we did is we got a little bit of creative, and the buyer, it was a high balance loan, which means it's above the conventional limits and below the true jumbo limits. And the buyer had 5% to put into the transaction. So what we did is we brought the loan amount down to the 517 conventional limit, and I did a 5% down loan with no mortgage insurance. But the buyer was short the closing cost, or had a little bit over 5%. So that's like $15,000 that we were apart by. So what I did on the wholesale market, and being the broker owner, is I covered that $15,000 with wholesale credit. You just don't see that on the market, because in the event that loan gets paid off in 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, depending on the contract you have with the bank, and I have over 100 banks to work with, that I would have to pay that money back and recapture that money. So there's so much agility being a broker and being able, especially the broker owner like myself and the loan officer underneath me, it's a huge win as a consumer. But to be able to put this veteran, who's a very proud veteran, into a home that wants to execute and use his VA loan, wants that house, the house he was looking at, the square footage was perfect, and there's just not the inventory for that type of property out there. So they wanted and was going to do whatever they could to get that property. And for me to simply be able to step in, do a standard 5% down product, no mortgage insurance, and pick up the wholesale credit, and being able to do that, when that product, you're not going to get that product anywhere else because it's a little bit of risk on my end, but that's just the cost of doing business. So, and it's just another reason is why I absolutely love what I do. I've owned the company for just under 20 years, and to be able to do this and get that ratified, I think we're settling in a couple weeks. And I got to tell you, not something else, it's not the first one. I did one Monday too. That was 2 weeks ago. This one was Monday. So it's being able to be very agile to know which bank to place that loan with. It gets the realtors paid, it gets the buyer, more importantly, into the home they care about. If I can serve you in any way, 410-827-51111. You can message me on Facebook or email me at peter@abilitymortgagegroup.com. Make it a great day.